What's up, guys, and welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, go do that. So in today's video, I'm actually going to be playing with my hair a little bit. I always wanted to dye my hair, maybe like try a little lighter, but I've just been scared because of the bleach, the hair dyes. It's all so bad for your hair. And I've worked years to get my hair to the point where I'm at in my journey, and I will not backtrack. I've actually found an alternative, which actually was very popular like a couple of years ago because I remember seeing it on my feed, Instagram, all of that. But I don't know why I just never did it. I never got into it. I've always wanted to try it, and now I thought, what a perfect time to try it on my channel. Yo, I don't even know how I'm comfortable recording a video like this, but do you guys see my hair? Like, it's like one big knot. And also, so y'all don't think I'm crazy, I only have 2 nails on because all of my nails popped. Like, they just all started popping. So I just want to let y'all know, because I know I probably look mad weird with 2 nails on. So this little box that I'm holding right here is actually my alternative to dyeing my hair. It is the Mofajang. I don't know how to pronounce it, but I'm gonna put it right here so y'all know what I'm talking about. Most of y'all probably have seen this, and if y'all haven't, y'all gonna see it today. It is not harmful for your hair. It's like a leave-in, and it just leaves the color behind, whatever color you choose. They have a lot of colors. I chose gold. Y'all gonna see it in a few. It comes off in the next wash. Like, the next time I wash my hair, boom, it's gone. All of these instructions are in a completely different language. All right, so let's open the box. This is what it looks like. I really hope this is enough for my hair because I have a lot of hair, a lot of thick hair. So it's gold. You see the color? I'm so excited but a little bit nervous to see how this is going to turn out in my hair. You have to apply this, as I said, like a leave-in. So first you have to, deep condition, wash your hair, do all of that. And you get out of the shower, you apply all your products, and then boom, you put this on. We'll get to this part later on. Right now I'm gonna go fix this mess. See ya in a bit. Hey guys, okay, I am back and I finally look human again. Oh my god. I hadn't washed my hair in like a week and a half. Don't do that. Don't be like me. Don't get lazy on your hair, and actually wash your hair at least once a week, at least. Listen guys, I'm sorry for the background noise. My neighborhood is crazy. Like, if you're from the Heights or you know about the Heights, you know how it is, bro. Like, these people do not shut up. So now I'm gonna apply my products as usual, my leave-ins, all of that good stuff. I'm gonna show you guys the products that I'm using because I switched it up a little bit. Okay, so I just finished applying all my products. I did pass the Denman brush. I just forgot to record it, but I don't do nothing special with my Denman brush. I literally don't do parts, nothing. I just go around my hair like this, and then I do put my fingers through it just because I don't like them to be like, I don't like my hair to be all clumped up. So I'm just gonna wait now till my hair dries about like 25-30%, and then I'll be back and then we could apply the product. Okay guys, my hair is like 20-25% dry, so I'm gonna start applying my product. I'm really scared, but here goes nothing. So this is what it looks like. I'm scared. So I do have my clip here to like part my hair. I'm really shooketh right now. I'm shooketh. Okay guys, I am wearing like a whatever shirt, which is good because I think you guys can tell like it's getting on my shirt, but it's not a big deal. I don't really care about this shirt. It's also, it literally feels like I'm applying like a leave-in conditioner, maybe like a custard. That's what it feels like. Alright guys, so I'm gonna move on to the other side and I'm gonna come back when I'm done. Decided to just let it dry a little bit more and then I'll reapply like another layer just so that it could be more vibrant. But this is where I've gone so far and I'm still scared. Like I'm still scared and it's already on me, so I don't even know why I'm acting like this. I'll be back and I'll apply more. So this is after I spent the whole day just letting my hair dry out. So this is how it looks. So it kind of has like that dirty blonde kind of look to it because my hair is like really dark brown. Well, a couple things before I continue. Just a little bit more about the product. One, it kind of made my hair a little bit crunchy, like at the tips, like at the ends, but I just added like some coconut oil and it softened up really quickly, so I was really happy about that. Something else, it kind of had like that like chalky type of look when I first applied it. It was probably because it was like mixing with my leave-in and like all of that. My biggest problem was that it was really messy. Like it was really messy. It's gonna stay on your hands. Like if you touch it and it's not dry, you're just gonna continue to see it on your hands, but it does get off of your hands really fast. Like I was just putting water and it was already coming off, so it doesn't like stain your hands or it doesn't stain your clothes or anything like that. Now what I'm gonna do is just continue as if it was just a regular wash and go and just separate my curls. So I'm gonna go ahead and do that. So I'm gonna go ahead and do the other side and I'll be right back. I just separated my curls and this is how it looks. I'm actually really proud of my hair. It looks really nice and poofy but also defined. So the first thing I'm gonna do is apply my 100% coconut oil because my hair is a little, what's that called? Crunchy in the back, and as soon as you apply this, your hair becomes smooth. Okay, so I'm gonna go ahead and reapply some of my hair coloring material, the Mofajang, however you pronounce it. You know what's crazy? I thought that this was not gonna be enough for my hair, and it turns out it was quite enough. So I'm also gonna be applying some of the Mielle Curl Refreshing Spray. So I'm gonna go ahead and do the other side and then I'll be right back. Alright guys, so this is my complete and finished look, and literally everybody in my family has been telling me, dye your hair, it looks so nice. But thank you guys for tuning in and watching me play around with my hair. I hope you guys subscribed if you weren't already, and I'll see you guys next time on my channel, Katie So Curly.